Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at getting started with research with the database. So the first thing I'd like you guys to do is go ahead and click on the database tab right there. And this takes you to a page that Miss Marquet and I made for you guys that has databases that are great for MYP personal projects. So first off, we need to think about what is a database. And a database is a collected set of resources that a database publisher makes. And they collect these resources and they've reviewed them. And so they've been reviewed by someone else. So you don't have to go through a source evaluation like you did for websites. Fairfax County buys these databases for you. And we like them because they've been vetted and also because all the resources have citations. So when you guys are at home, you can use these also, but when you're at home, you do need to make sure that you have the passwords because each database has its own password. So the database passwords are linked in this yellow box right over here. So the first step for you guys is databases are different than Google. Google has one search bar and you go ahead and type your question or your keywords into that bar and you will get an answer in the form of a list of websites. The first step for a database is to figure out which database is a good fit. So we've divided the topics by different subjects. So most topics you will find something in these general databases, but because those are very broad resources, they'll cover a lot of different topics. The depth in which they cover each topic may be very small. So this may not be a very good fit for a very specific, narrow topic. These other resources are divided here. So let's give some examples. If I want to learn to make some Japanese food, I need to find some databases that relate to culture and cuisine. So when I look in here, I'm going to be looking at one of these food databases here and culture databases. If I'm interested in becoming a veterinarian, I would like to look at this career database. If I'm interested in global warming, I could look in a couple different places. Maybe I'd want to check out some of these science databases, or maybe I'd like to look at some current events databases and find out what's happening around the world. So I'm going to investigate a topic that is up and coming for our family, and we are planning a vacation this summer to Wyoming. And so I'd like to get some more information on Wyoming. So what I'm going to do is I think that I'm going to try this Culturegrams database. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Culturegrams, and I'm going to click on the state edition. And I'm actually going to click on the state of Wyoming. And for our family, we are planning on going to Yellowstone National Park. So I'm really interested in places and things and seeing if there's any information on Yellowstone. And I'm going to look at the article. So here's some basic information. And I'm going to use the navigation within the article to help me. So as I go down, I notice right here there's the word Yellowstone. And I'm previewing the article to see if it's a good fit for me. And this looks like exactly what I would like to spend my time on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at citing it. So every database is a little bit different on how they cite the article. Most of them have an MLA citation on the bottom. But up here at the top, there's this, I'm seeing this MLA 8. And MLA is the type of citation that I need. Sometimes there's a little box that has a quotation mark in it, so that could be what you're looking for too. And when I click this, to get my citation, I'm going to copy and paste this information. And okay. And now I'm ready to go ahead and put that into Noodle Tools and start taking notes. For more information on how to cite, please watch the videos on this page.